With becoming an Eagle distributor, you will benefit from all the fantastic advantages that we offer. We will provide free displays to all your stocking locations, which will provide product awareness and information. To make sure your customers have all the answers, we provide free product training to your sales staff and local installers. By adding you to our distributor locator page, you will get direct leads from people in your area searching for our product. Take advantage of our joint marketing programs, where we custom plan a campaign to fit your needs. And of course, you will qualify to get very competitive pricing, where you can purchase our world-class operators at a discounted price, which will directly increase your profit margin. Coupled with that, you will receive free shipping on bulk orders. Contact us by phone at 800-708-8848 or email us at sales@eagleoperators.com.